Number 1. Decluttering is only about the physical stuff. When diving into the world of decluttering, many people initially focus solely on the physical items within their homes. While creating a clutter-free physical space is undoubtedly rewarding, it's crucial to recognize that decluttering goes beyond material possessions. In addition to decluttering your physical environment, consider extending the process to your mental space, emotional well-being, financial commitments, and relationships. Acknowledging and addressing clutter in these areas can bring about greater clarity and balance in your life. Journaling, engaging in creative activities, and reassessing commitments are powerful tools for decluttering your mental and emotional space. Number 2. Decluttering and staying clutter-free is impossible with kids. Many individuals believe that embracing minimalism and maintaining a clutter-free lifestyle becomes an impossible feat once kids enter the picture. However, this notion is a misconception that can hinder families from adopting a simpler way of living. With open communication, strategic planning, and intentional choices, it's entirely possible to navigate parenthood while staying committed to minimalism. Start by establishing clear boundaries for toy storage, rotating toys to avoid overwhelm, and prioritizing experiences over accumulating more stuff. Communicate with family members about your lifestyle choices and encourage them to contribute meaningfully rather than inundating your home with unnecessary items. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 3. I am worried my home will look boring. A common misconception about decluttering is the fear that a minimalist approach will result in a bland and uninviting home. This belief often stems from the association of minimalism with monochromatic color schemes. However, it's essential to understand that minimalism is about intentional living, not an absence of personality or vibrancy in your surroundings. Decluttering doesn't mean eliminating color and personality from your home. Embrace the opportunity to curate a living space that reflects your unique style and preferences. Whether you love bold colors, patterns, or eclectic decor, there are countless ways to infuse personality into a minimalist environment. The key is to prioritize items that hold genuine value and bring you joy, ensuring that each element contributes to a harmonious and visually appealing space. Number 4. My identity is tied to my possessions. Before embarking on a decluttering journey, many individuals grapple with the belief that their identity is closely tied to their possessions. This mindset can be a significant obstacle, as the fear of letting go of belongings may feel like losing a part of oneself. Challenge the idea that your possessions define who you are. Reflect on your character, values, achievements, experiences, and contributions to the world. Realize that your identity is a multifaceted tapestry shaped by these factors, not the accumulation of material belongings. Once you embrace this truth, the decluttering process transforms into a powerful journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Number 5. I'm wasting money. The fear of wasting money often holds people back from decluttering, especially when it comes to parting with unused or barely worn possessions. This mindset overlooks the concept of opportunity costs and maintenance costs associated with holding onto unnecessary items. Opportunity costs refer to the space occupied by possessions that could be utilized for new experiences, opportunities, or items aligned with your current needs. Decluttering creates room for meaningful activities and prevents the long-term wastefulness of valuable space. Additionally, maintenance costs, including the time and effort required to clean and store possessions, decrease with fewer belongings. There you have it, 5 decluttering lies that are keeping you stuck. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.